Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. It's been over 8 months since the Nothing Phone 2A Plus launch and a lot has changed in the smartphone world. So is the smartphone still worth it to buy in 2025? Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Day Out. So guys, start the video. First, the design. Nothing signature transparent back with Glyph transparent look fresh. The plastic frame keep it lightweight and the matte finish registered fingerprint. Overall, the smartphone design and build quality is decent. After 8 months of use, it held up pretty well, no major scratches, and the Glyph lighting still worked perfectly. Moving to the display, the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate still feels smooth in 2025. Watching videos and gaming is great. And the good side is the smartphone comes with 1300 nits of peak brightness for outdoor use. For security, it comes with under-display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Performance-wise, the Dimensity 7350 Pro with up to 12 GB RAM handle daily tasks easily. All the app opening and closing is been very fast, and at the same time I also using lot of app at the background and the phone running smoothly. Software-wise, the phone running Nothing OS 3.0 with Android 15. Nothing OS 3.0 keep the phone feeling clean with a bloatware free with a regular update. That's a big plus point. Now talk about the gaming performance. My gaming performance also very good. I am playing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile. Both are playing smoothly. Moving to the camera section, the smartphone comes with a dual 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, no 4K 60fps video option, but you can record 1080p 30, 60 and 120fps slow-mo video with EIS. Now I am recording 4K 30fps video. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a great pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are pretty good. And very soon this is smartphone long time camera review coming out channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Night photography experience also very good. If you have a good lighting condition, you can easily take a great pictures. Overall, the camera quality is decent. The 5000 mAh battery still lasts a full day and the 50 watt fast charging is decent. Now the big question, should you buy it in 2025? If you find it discount is still a peak out, it's still a solid pick for its design, clean software and smooth display. But if you want better camera or raw performance, your budget phone might be a better choice. What do you think? Would you buy Nothing Phone 2A Plus in 2025? Drop the comment below. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.